In this ever-expanding world, designing is starting to play a pivotal role in enhancing the lives of people. And we at Woxsen, it's our constant endeavor to produce the best designers on the planet and make sure that they work for the best brands in the world. In order for a graduate designer to impress the best companies in the world, it is important that he produces a professional portfolio, which is a compilation of all his work throughout his college course. It is also important that the portfolio clearly talks about his fields of interest. It is of utmost importance that the portfolio is designed according to the needs of the employer, and it talks about how the designer can fit seamlessly into the company's existing design ecosystem. A well-rounded portfolio should talk about the designer's vision for his or her target sector, while keeping in mind important factors such as sustainability, efficiency, and ergonomics.